There had been a mixed feeling after the government announced the demolition of several buildings in the Alaba International Market between now and Monday, which has resulted to some people a state of unrest and to others controversy. Hello and welcome to Adamazi TV. My name is Ngozi. On Friday, the 16th of June 2023, the Lagos State government began the process of removing distressed buildings in the Alaba International Market in Ojo local government area of the state. The enforcement team, which went round to resale several buildings that had been marked with previous multiple quick sale notices by LAS BCA, said the measures was to prevent disaster. They advised occupants on the need to move out of the structurally defective building, which they said had become too dangerous for habitation. A look at the building from afar portrays beautiful and firm structure, but a closer look further shows how defected and unsafe it is for occupants. A now correspondent on the delegation observed that some of the buildings undergoing reconstruction were tilted. Also exposed are some story buildings that were already sinking but being extended with additional floors. What do you think about the news? Please share your opinions on the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe if you're just joining us. Like and share. Thank you.
We are paying money. I'm paying 6,500 tenement rates to local government every year. And they never ask for more, and I didn't pay. So I don't know why they will just come over and break where I'm a family man. I own a family. I have children. And I have no other thing apart from a shop here. So I don't know why they want to break it. If they break it, where would you want us to go?
Apart from the fact that all these properties have been served since 2016. When you look at 2016 to date, we are looking at 7 years. And if at all there is anybody that wants to be responsible in that environment and they want to do the right thing, 7 years is more than enough time for anybody to renovate or rehabilitate. Despite the fact that we have done that, they still turn the deaf ear to government because they believe that they can get their way through. So Lagos State Building Controls have taken it, putting the bull by the horn, that all those buildings are going to go between now and Monday.
I now report live from Alaba International Market, fancy and furniture section. Auto the table. I go to Alaba International Market na fancy and furniture section. And Ochicho Godabo, Lagos State government, Gareba. Yeah, all the people known at this plaza, quick notice. Immediately quick notice that demolition, now get demolition ever at any given time. Or wherever go to up on I want to Alaba news not ever. If you go see here from the bridge of fancy and furniture, down here, down to Canal, that everybody can see people parking all their property. It's not a small something. We are begging on the state government to have mercy. All this plaza will go down at any moment. Oh my God. All this plaza you are seeing now will go down at any moment. They came in numbers. And issued the quick notice that everybody should remove all his property to this environment with immediate effect or face the law. Alaba News reporting live from Alaba International Market, Ojo, Lagos.
In the return of the king, I wear about the it was a Fundeba and a Bihia Apple, Obonademaka, Eba Choeko shop tomorrow morning. Abo Jagio Bugo Jr. from the Return of the King in the hotel and Obonadicos, Batakuluno Gawa. I wear the Alba for 1 night walking to Kubo Bob. Now, when I say 1 night, why in Canada? My brother, the issue for Governor of Lagos State, Nandibo,
atụnyere ọrụ ya vote na o nwetara vote from Lagos State. Alaba International. Tinubu na onwe ya na-ekwu na Alaba na-atụnyere ọrụ ya. So na anyị ga-eje tụalụ our brother. So wee jezie praise ya. Today ka anyị nọ o wee kpọrọ ndị polisi ya more than 1 police.
Wonderful.
Monday hammer. But wee si anyị na anyị akpapụ ebe a na onye ọbụla like ngwaahịa ya ngwaahịa ya this night.
Wonderful.
Na onye ọbụla na-like ngwaahịa ya na ibu na onye ọbụla na-like from now to 6 o'clock na ngwaahịa ahụ na ọ ya bụrụ ndị ya ma mgbe.
Wonderful.
So na katapilo ya dị ebe a
ife na-eme tata
ihe niile
ihe na-eme tata
ife na-eme kịta 3 hours quick notice ka Lagos State.
Wonderful.
3 hours quick notice. Onye ọbụla wee na-ebu ngwa ahịa ya ụlọ wọchị
afụla afụ
ọkwa nwanne anyị onye
ọba nwanne m ekwu ọgbafelu nwanne m bịa gwa ya okwu ọ ndị return of the king nọ n'iru gị platform na-agba mbọ ka ọbara na mma nke na-eme nwanne m kọwalụ ndị ọba onye bụ. That's good. You're welcome. Nke na-eme n'ụbọchị taa na afọ ka ndị mmadụ na-apaki ife na-ebu.
Anyị nakọtara ọzọ na anyị ebu anyị akwụkwọ anyị na-eje ije anyị ejegoro n'ije jegide ije enye 24 million. O nwere first payment asị anyị eme asị na penalty 6 million plus apụtụrụ ya anya 6.something million ha orukata kpọrọ amị karị 100 wee bịa ebe a wee sign na ha nya anyị today ọ bụrụ ibupụrụ ihe gị today na ha bịa ebe a na nwa ya na-eme